Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just earlier tonight I did a video on how to draw this, and then one of my subscribers mentioned that he's surprised I didn't draw half of it and mirror it, and that's definitely an option. And then I kind of started thinking about a new twist you could do also to make it even easier. So if you take the rectangle tool, holding down the left mouse button to get your rectangle to that shape. And then what's neat about this, you can click on the graphic, hold down the shift key and select that and Control G, and then rotate the whole thing 45 degrees, but to the opposite, so 315. Then you can draw with the rectangle tool this other size rectangle. And then we're gonna take that object and convert it to a curve. And you would really want to make sure this is at a 45, but I don't think the graphic really matters. I'm just moving those nodes in. And it is going to matter a little bit on the when we mirror it. So now let's grab the whole thing. You can see how big the clip art is and rotate it back to 0. Our nudge factor is on 1.1 or 1.5 inches, so we can grab the clip art and move it out of the way. But I had that group, so I need to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then we can grab our graphic and move it out of the way. Now we can take these two parts and weld them. Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the control button, you can flip it. Now we're not perfect because I didn't do the 45-degree trick, but that is very easily fixed, and I've actually got a little bit of a, let me back up here. I've got something right there that I didn't need or didn't want, but this is very easily taken out. Just delete those nodes. And I'd already had my duplicate. So let's back up and move that duplicate out of the way and just trash it. Zoom back in. Just take your shape tool and select those nodes and just hit delete and make that a straight line. Now going back that we would want this at a 45-degree angle, you could bring in an indexing line and have it snap to it. Let's make sure we have snap to on, snap to guidelines, and we'll move our guidelines and it should snap to that node right there. So you could do this, you could take your shape tool now and have it snap to that guideline. Then when we can Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button and just flip it over. Let's get rid of our indexing line. There's what we wanted, so we'll fill this in with any color. We'll go ahead and fill this in with black. But then we'll do what we did in the previous video. We use the eyedropper color eyedropper and grab that gold and put it in that hole. And then as a reminder, don't forget to left click no fill or no outline. And there's that graphic. Done a little bit easier. And I think it's dead on. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.